back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing my first Fabfitfun box. If you guys read the description or anything, I am a Fabfitfun partner, meaning that they did contact me to send me the winter box. However, all opinions are my own. So yes, I did receive this box for free, but that does not affect any of my opinions. So this is the box. This is so huge. Oh my gosh. It says Fabfitfun and it's the pink winter box. There are different colored boxes. This is a pink one. I love it so much. I'm gonna keep it. I am a hoarder. I am going to keep it. If you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, and it comes with products over $200. You pay 50 bucks and you get at least $200 worth of products inside, and they are full-size products, which is amazing. I've known about Fabfitfun for years. However, I am a broke college student, which like normally you guys get to customize them. I didn't get to customize mine because I'm a Fabfitfun partner. It got chosen for me. However, I'm not disappointed because I've already taken a peek, so I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna wait. If you do use my code Gisselle10, you get $10 off your first subscription box, so it will bring it down to $40. And I don't get any commission off this code. I like being transparent with you guys. I do not make any commission off you guys using my code or not. Let's unbox this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so cute! And it's so heavy, and I don't work out, and this is normally it's taped up, but like I said, I've already taken a peek. Looks like this. It is like the coral color inside. It's super cute. I don't want to drop something. Ah! So this is what it looks like inside. Like I said, I did take some peeks. It comes with a few things here, so we'll look at that first. This one says, save this for you. This is $15 off. I might just give it to a friend, so they can get $15 off a Fabfitfun box. We have a HelloFresh gift card for $90. That alone is already like almost double of what the box is worth. Definitely double if you use my code. But I can't wait to use this because I've been wanting to try HelloFresh, and this is already an excuse for me to do it. And I'll make a video because I normally don't cook, but HelloFresh will give me everything and the recipe. So, got some cooking videos in a couple of weeks. And then I do have a Sterling Forever $30 gift card, which I can't wait to use because I love sterling silver. Maybe I'll buy something for some friends or buy it for me because I love jewelry. And then the last thing on top is the Fabfitfun Winter Magazine. I've seen that on unboxings, but my mind right now is just blown, okay? Normally, Fabfitfun partners with different people each time a subscription box is made. And this is the Winter 2019 one. And here you get the editor's letter, and then you get all the products that were options in this box and their retail value. So I will be referring to this when I show you guys the products. I'm gonna keep this back here because I am gonna have to use it. And here's the top. Like I said, I did open it and I'm not the best, but this is what my box looks like. I'm trying to not drop any of this. Okay, so first, I am going to take out the biggest thing in here just because it's really heavy and I don't want to drop this box with it. The first thing is this Jonathan Adler candle. It's called Fleur de Sel, I think. It's really heavy. The retail value of this candle is $48. If you guys don't know what Jonathan Adler is, I kind of know just because I've seen this brand in other stores. But anyway, so we're going to open it up and bring it out of the box. This is what it looks like. And it looks like this. This is really nice and sleek. Personally, really love it. It smells really fresh and clean. This is the candle. It looks super cute. You open it up and that's what it looks like inside. Personally, I'm really picky with my candles, but this candle smells really fresh, and I love fresh candles, so I love this so much. Thank you, Fabfitfun. Also, the outside of it is ceramic. Didn't know that, but that's probably why it's also really expensive and looks really nice. The next thing is probably the thing I'm most excited about in here. So I was given a Bando, I think that's what it's called, Bluetooth shower speaker. This is a freaking shower speaker. I already take forever in the shower. This is just gonna make it worse. It does come with the little charging cord. This is what the speaker looks like, and it has the little suction cup in the back. This thing is loud. Where's my phone so I can show you guys? We're gonna turn it on. I love that noise. And now it's connected. And we're going to use some copyright-free music because I'm not about to get copyrighted in this video. So by the channel No Copyright Sounds, we are going to play, someone's cutting the grass outside, why? We're gonna play Roy Knox, I Wish. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. Okay, that's it, that's enough. The retail value of the speaker is $30. The next thing inside this box, I'm gonna pull it out from underneath because it was really protected. As you guys can see, they really do take care of their stuff. It is this Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I remember seeing that this was in the box and I was like, I want it so bad. I don't need more eyeshadow, but I wanted it so bad. The retail value of this palette is $38. You slide it out. The textures are really, really nice. I'm gonna open it and take this out so you guys can see. So these are the eyeshadow shades. They're really pretty, really fall-y, festive-y, winter. Love the names too. Most of them are named something pudding. It just smells like a normal eyeshadow palette. They're really cute shades. If you guys don't know, I love gold shades, so this palette is just perfect for me. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Do I put it on my wrist? I saw someone put it on their like hand. So these are the swatches of the matte shades. Now we're gonna do the metallic shades. My swatching sucks, but these are the metallic shades. This is one right here. So that is the Beauty Bakery palette. Love this so much. Can't wait to use it. The next thing inside this box is a color switch. The color switch retails for $16.99, so $17. I've heard of this from other people, and I've seen other unboxings because I had no idea what this was either. The color switch basically comes inside this tin can. You open it up, and it's a sponge. It's a dry sponge, to be honest. You're supposed to be able to take a brush. I'm gonna use this brush right here, which I use today, and just brush it over the sponge, and it's supposed to take the color off. Second alternative to washing your brushes, or maybe if you're doing a fun makeup look and you want to take some color off, like if you use black or something, I don't know, but let's try it. I'm going to use the brush that I use to set my makeup. Oh, I definitely see it going on there. Now it's really dirty. It's a little bit off. I don't want to do all of it just because I am going to dirty it, and it's whatever. It was fully black, and now that I took some powder off, it's not, but I love this so much. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun. Sometimes I need stuff like this. The next thing inside this box is a Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. I'm assuming this makes it glowy. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me on it. I'm assuming. Oh, this is fancy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Take it out. Oh, it's like a drop. Like it's a little dropper. Ah, okay. Oh, super soft. Ooh, love this. Thank you so much for that, Rodial. Sorry if I can't pronounce the name. I can't wait to use this. The next thing that I got inside my box is this Cusio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This is what this looks like. This retails for $39.95. It's lavender scented and oil. Lavender scent is really strong. I do have a friend who loves this, so I'm gonna give it to her for Christmas. Super strong, supposed to help you relax, I'm assuming. I'm not a super strong person, but thank you, Fabfitfun. Like, I know my friend will definitely enjoy this because she loves lavender. One of the next things inside this box is the original makeup eraser. This packaging, to start off with, is super cute. It looks like an eraser, feels kind of like an eraser, but I've heard, I have not used it myself to know, I've heard that this takes off all your makeup even more than a makeup wipe, which I'm hoping really does happen. And it's supposed to be reusable, so you don't, ooh, this looks so soft. Oh my gosh. It's like a reusable makeup wipe. It says you wash it 1 to 2 times a week, but you wet it and then you take off all your makeup. Right now, that's kind of not what I'm trying to go for. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. It's like a blanket. Imagine wiping your face with this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. It's so cute, super soft, like a blanket. Again, it is the original makeup eraser. This comes in everyone's box and it retails for $20. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun. Oh my gosh. The next thing inside this box is a Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It says that you apply it when your damp hair and it's supposed to have detangle and do it before you style your hair. I haven't tried it. Like, you see it's inside the little plastic. Can't personally tell you what it is like. Maybe I can tell you what it smells like though, because I am back. I finally took the plastic off. Now I'm gonna smell it. Ooh. Kind of smells like lavender, but I don't think it's lavender. I don't know, I'm excited to try this out. I'm a huge person on heat protectant and my hair gets really tangled in the winter, so thank you so much, Fabfitfun. Okay, so that is all of the stuff inside my Fabfitfun box, except the candles up here and so is the speaker. And just to remind you guys can use my code Gisselle10 to get $10 off your first box, which will leave it down to $39.99. For everything that you're getting, it's such a great deal, to be honest. And all the stuff that you get, you can even give some to your friends, like I'm about to do. I really do want someone to enjoy this a lot. But thank you so much, Fabfitfun, for reaching out and giving me the opportunity to unbox my first Fabfitfun box. Oh my gosh. In the comments down below, let me know what your favorite product that you saw in this video was, or if you've seen other unboxings, what your favorite product is, or what you would be excited to ever receive. Personally, this is gonna be my jam. This is gonna be my lifesaver, and the reason I'll take way longer in the shower to even come out. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.